Punishment Vibro Session Part Kijim Tip Namta Kubor Like Cam Teknik Jumta and Tips Fang Kini Kubor Like Cam Kebalai Kebalai Jong Kam Noi Kai Kemba Artali But Account Assistant Tengin Sedang Suanaka Account Assistant Teki Bukwa Ban Apply Namta Gini Pus Sampai Ki Video Hadu Kubakut Connect Advertisement Kedai Contractual Mon Account Assistant Application are invited from domicile candidate of Meghalaya in standard form Kene Kedai offline Tama Kedai Contractual Mama Pendap nombor ke standard form Silaban lej Syapo office Kabdai Syapo lower la Chumer Silaban lej Wat 5P Connect Office of the Chief Engineer PMGSY PWD Road State Rural Road Development Agency SRRDA lower la Chumer Shillong 1 Lej Wat For the following post to implement the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY scheme in Meghalaya by State Rural Road Development Agency SRRDA, the appointment will be on contractual for a period of 1 year. His name can continue don't come the post are purely temporary. Application should carry full particular to be accompanied by. Kapan rak hab tet kata ka aplik standard form kibon gibon pat tip eta ka standard form ti fila banyo na kidukan zero ni sabar kin IB ya kata so mai I standard form kan de shipol at ponika Ege bab hiaban pendap atau form hiaban pendap ada pada syarat lang bagi kita gi dokumen. All testimonial of age, conduct and academic qualification, his certificate, birth certificate, PKA baru akan berfidan, experience certificate, lara fidan, SCST certificate, 2 passport size photograph. Ini belum mention. Tekan ni boleh post kedai account assistant, karon kumba pratali tawa kita apply kila pan apply tang kepada Bachelor of Commerce, experience knowledge of tally, about 3 years experience in account with any government body agency undertaking. The kene wapan experience sama kumkini je kamem kibam non experience ru pila pan apply tang ba nomor ada amdon kibaron experience mut kap shimbe kibam non experience ru te ka shong api pilek na pimlek Shibnai katulop kadai Khatsan Hajar Shibnai all over the state. Mutba place of posting laban dewi hak non jaka all over the state laban desa karor laban desa jantia laban desa kasil ru pratalik post. The application should reach the office of the undersigned latest by 30 September. Mutba kal last date kandai live 4 September arjar absan till 4 p.m. Applicant are requested to mention the contact number, WhatsApp number, and email address in the application form. Haga standard form. Kita mention the contact number, WhatsApp number, dan email. Kita gelong compulsory bagian pentip epi. Ada kita don kondo ban ai katarik ban interview dan ban exam kata tata. Bang penbiang gino kini EU mutba nsyari reject. Application found incomplete in any respect shall summarily be rejected. Date of interview will be communicate and all the document in original should be produced. Tidak kadang kita pendap itu nomor phone, WhatsApp number, kenang bagi communicate untuk pawan namtaka interview. Itu kita dari Bachelor of Commerce sudah kita apply namta ini kita post kita lain. Seki kam no hikai kumba artali dengan pecuai kan ekwe namta kan kam no hikai kam hikai kebalan required assistant teachers at Roymond Memorial English School, Surok Spar Soyong. Qualification any graduate, no graduate tamag di benda beka DLED, but MTED with computer knowledge. Interested candidate may submit their application to the school office on or before 30 September 2025. Kene last date like 4 September ajapsan or by email. Lane filaban pa lengba ka email at rjnongbet@gmail.com. Kan mau ban pa application yang pi lembaga email lada pim laj por ban lej lane phila ban kontak ro igni nomor lada pi don kono ka jingkwa ban tip khamania pranyo khandai saw new ar rulai arway lane khandai pra rulai not khandai way san pra te sakawe par kami kai kabalat ke par kami kai kabalat ke de hapo kinshi require 1 principal at Kinshi Higher Secondary School non kam principal makana qualification MA English B.Ed Arspel NCTE norms. Teaching experience dengan license name, salary dengan secondary ad hoc pay, age below 40 years hapo house name, date of interview kan day Arpsantarik September 2025, kabar economics teacher. Qualification MA Economics with B.Ed dalam compulsory batch mau B.Ed preferably, salary 11,000. Date of interview 15 October 2025. Apply through Secretary MC on or before 15 September 2025 for both posts. Ya bro artikel post. Khasan September kelas date kan emang. Kontak nomor ada baik. Kendai lai pra lai Riusan ar pra ar. Begitu kita don jemput pan apply nam tadi ni. Kilawan kontak nomor dan kilap balik baik siapa school kinsi higher secondary school. Tangki ni kita jemput fresh one.